All right, I'm going to save your life right now, and I'm going to show you something about the major scale formula. Yay! All right, so this goes for all 12 major scales. So we have uh, 8 notes in a scale. The first and the last note are the same. So we're going to use our numbering system. These are scale degrees. And all it just means is that that's the order we play these notes normally when we just practice our scales. So for the 8th note, I'm going to put in parentheses 1. It's just an octave higher. Okay, so in between the first scale degree and the second scale degree is a whole step. And we're going to put a W for whole step. In between the second and third is another whole step, another W. We're winning. All right, so 3 to 4 is a half step. Now, the reason why I'm putting them in between is to show you that there is an interval between these scale degrees. 4 to 5 is a whole step. The 5th to 6th is a whole step. 6th to 7th, another whole step, and 7th to 8th is a half step. So look at it. We got 2 whole steps, 1 half step. 3 whole steps, 1 half step. That's probably one of the easiest ways to remember. So just remember, when we do a whole step, we're skipping 1 tone. And if you're playing piano, it doesn't matter whether it's a black key or a white key. For a H or a half step, we're not skipping anything. We're going directly to the next tone. Okay, and those are things to keep in mind. With this formula, you can figure out all the notes in any of the 12 keys.